Following the arrest of former President Rodrigo Duterte by virtue of an International Criminal Court or ICC warrant for alleged crimes against humanity, the palace assured that there is no cause for concern among investors despite political tensions in the country. The palace also dismissed claims that the ICC case would drive away foreign investors. Our William Theo has the details.
The administration of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. remains confident the political noise in the country has no impact on those who wish to invest and do business here. This after the arrest of former President Rodrigo Duterte, who is facing crimes against humanity charges in the International Criminal Court due to his brutal war on illegal drugs and extrajudicial killings.
Hindi po naaalarma ang administrasyon patungkol po sa investors dahil ang mga foreign investors po mas gusto po nila na ang bansa at ang mga leader ay sumusunod sa batas. Hindi po nagkakanlong ng mga tao na involved po lalong-lalo na sa crime against humanity, specifically murder. Hindi po inaayunan talaga yan ng mga foreign investors.
Recently, President Marcos Jr. revealed that 107 investment projects worth over 4 trillion pesos have been certified by the Bureau of Investments. These projects are expected to provide clean, cheaper, and more accessible electricity while also creating thousands of jobs for Filipinos. The government is optimistic the country's gross domestic product or GDP will see significant improvement. The GDP measures the total value of goods and services in the country and serves as a key indicator of economic health. Last year, the Philippines recorded a GDP growth of 5 to 6%.
Hindi po kasi dapat nating isipin yung negatibo eh. Dapat lagi tayo mag-move forward para sa positive na mangyayari sa Pilipinas.
In line with efforts to boost the economy, the government is intensifying efforts to provide decent paying jobs and livelihood opportunities for Filipinos. 70 job fairs are scheduled for this March to help address employment needs.
Sa Metro Manila, mahigit 10 job fairs pa ang nakatakda sa mga darating na araw. Sinisikap ng gobyerno na makapagbigay ng mas maraming trabaho para matulungan ang mga maiangat ang kalidad ng pamumuhay ng mga Pilipino.
Job fair schedules are available on the Department of Labor and Employment or DOLE website and its social media accounts. William Theo for Balitang Pambansa.